Hello, welcome to today's tutorial on how to sew an inverted box pleat skirt with a bow tie. Let's get right into the tutorial. So you first take your horizontal measurement, that's your waist to your hip measurement, then the waist to the full length of the skirt. So let's take our vertical measurements. That's our full waist circumference divided by 4. Then we divide it again by 2 because we want the box pleat to be obvious in front of the skirt. So we get our 3 inches, then we mark it. Do you hear that? Then we mark the inverted pleat, which is 8 inches. Then the other half of the 3 inches, we mark it at the end of the inverted pleat, which is 8 inches. Then we add our allowance, which is 2 inches. My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. So you mark the 3 inches to the hem of the skirt's length. You do the same with the 8 inches, that's the inverted pleat. You do the same with it to the hem of the skirt, the full length of the skirt. You do the same with the 3 inches too. Then the same with the 2 inches allowance. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake, I'm tired of feeling all FOMO. Babe, I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my... After rolling the line, you divide the pleat measurement, the 8 inches, into 2. So you get your 4 inches. Then you begin to cut. Straw hat, babe, and you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine when we wanna hear the ocean. I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if you fold the 3 inches line, then you put it on the 4 inches inverted pleat, the line in the middle of the 8 inches. So as you fold it, then you put it on it. Then you do the same with the other one too at the end. We don't ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. So you pin it to the hip measurement line, or you're going to sew it on the cloth. You're going to join that line together as we've pinned it on the pattern paper. Then you have your inverted pleats on a pattern paper.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care.
So you put your pattern paper on the fabric, then you cut.
If we stay home, put our to-do list on ice. We crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise.
The pattern paper on the fabric, make sure you notch so that when you are folding it to get your inverted box pleat, it will be very easy for you. So don't forget to notch all the lines. Don't forget to notch all the lines so that when it gets to the time for you to fold it and iron it, it will be very easy for you. So you fold your paper again to the way it was to cut the back, because the back is not going to have an inverted pleat. It's going to be normal. So you fold the inverted pleats inside. That's the 8 inches. You fold it. Then you cut the back of the skirt.
Is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday. We'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine when we wanna hear the ocean. I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes.
So after you're done cutting it, you take it to the ironing board. With the help of the notch that you made, you iron it to get the lines of the inverted pleats, the folding intact, just like you see. You get the folding and everything intact, neatly and nice. So we're going to sew together the inverted pleat from the waist to the hip measurement, so we get the opening from the hip to the hem of the skirt. So you get your inverted box pleat neat and complete.
There's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you.
Because I don't want to have a waistband, this skirt having a waistband won't look cute. Because I don't want to have a waistband, we are going to sew and turn it so that it wouldn't have a waistband. I want to show you this skirt with like a plain fabric. One thing I realized is that when you are sewing with this African print fabrics and all that, you can't really see the details of the dress. You can't really see the details. But having a plain fabric, let me show you a picture of a plain fabric so that you get what I'm trying to say. With a plain fabric, you can really see the details and all that. But with African prints, you can't see the details and all that. So because I don't want to have a waistband, I'm just going to. So this is the back of the skirt. You're going to use elastic for the back of the skirt. So after you're done with the elastic at the back of the skirt, you just join, then you shape, then ta-da, you have your skirt. It's so cute. It came out so cute, you know. Yeah, so that is how to sew an inverted box pleat skirt with a bow.
This view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave. Yeah, they're my